day, everyone. Maaz okay here. I just want to quickly show us a clip that I watched last night. Last night I made a very short video where I talked about the Amotekun and how the Southwest have resolved the conflict with the federal government, where in a meeting chaired by the Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osibanjo, and Malami, the Attorney General of the Federation, and the 6 Southern or Southwest governors. The lessons thereof is what this video is about. Now, these are the lessons that the Southeastern governors must learn. Suddenly, the Southwestern governors, 6 of them, were able to come in a room and have a meeting. It's been a long while that the Southeastern governors have not even come together. Most times, Anambra State Governor Obiano does not go to Enugu. He sends Nkem, who is the deputy governor of Anambra State. There is this kind of unspoken friction amongst them. Now, the question is, how can a divided house have a formidable force to fight for the people? Lesson here is that in Ekiti State, the people of Ekiti State came together, marched the street, say no going back on Amotekun. Even they are doing so even when there is a mistake done by the Yoruba, which is there was no legal framework before Amotekun was launched. Everyone ignored that and said no going back to Amotekun. Now, imagine for 1 second that was done by the Igbo, the Southeast, or the Igbo governors, or the Igbo region. What do you think would have happened? Here we would have people come on Channels TV, we would have had Igbos come on Channels TV or come on YouTube and castigating Igbos. You wouldn't see that. Imagine for a first time that you would have expected the Igbos to come together and, expected us to come together and support maybe, some of you argue that they want Igbo presidency, for instance, as an example. Suddenly you hear someone like Chris Ngige saying, no, it's not possible. Yeah. That's the reason why it's not possible. How can he be, without even giving it a shot, he's already walking away from defeatist mentality? It is something that we must learn. Honestly, I am so impressed when I saw that the Yoruba nation was able to come out, have this protest, very peaceful. So many of you appear to forget, when IPOB was protesting, Google it, Google my name, Maazi Tochukwu Ezeoke. You will see a series of press releases and articles that I have issued out, defending them for their right to protest. What were they protesting for? The same thing the Yorubas are doing now, insecurity. They were protesting, and none of you or most Igbos will go on Channels TV to castigate IPOB for protesting. My argument then and my argument now remains, yes, they have the right to peaceful protest, not to destroy anything. By the way, there was nothing IPOB was destroying. Yes, IPOB has a right to police protection. If the police were there, what the job of the police would have been was to protect any miscreant coming in to disrupt a peaceful march. Rather, what do we have? We have people that has been proscribed. Again, I came to Oka, I gave a world press conference against the proscription. I still believe that the proscription of a peaceful organization to become illegal or to become, or as they've gone to court to say it's a terrorist group is wrong. we must learn this from the Yorubas to protect ours. Watch this clip and see what I mean. Once more, Mazes, okay? These are the things I believe the Igbo nation must learn. We must learn to protect our own. Yes, there are places we are good, but we can always learn to protect ours. We mustn't be the first to throw stones. The reason why the federal government actually was able to go and prescribe IPOB is because the moment they saw weakness in our voice, in our resolve, they came in. If the Igbo elders, if IPOB had listened, some Igbo elders, if they worked hand in hand with Igbo elders, there could have been no penetration. In Igbo, we say, no biogalanya, enibe efi, enibe mboba, efi dobia, mboba achuba. IPOB are the mbobas. The Igbo elders are the ogalanyas. Use your mouth, count your teeth.
Today make you shake and you still did not stop the way you feel. Make you open your ears very well to the gap.
All our you watch your daddy Lenny, nítorí Amotekun.
Every day and night today, yeah, me talk. One day you said to me.
So àwọn èèyàn wa, ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ Amotekun já lọ́wọ́ ẹ lókè. Ìwọ tó wà fún Amotekun ọwọ́ ẹ lókè. Ẹ já lọ́wọ́ yín lókè tó bá mọ̀ pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ Amotekun. Ó mọ̀ pé Amotekun wà fún ìdáàbòbò aráàlú. Lọ́wọ́ ẹ sókè. Iṣẹ́ wọn ìtẹ̀rẹ̀ Òkété Èkìtì bákan náà á kí àwọn èèyàn wa torí wọ́n darapọ̀ mọ́ wa láti Èkìtì South West Ìlàwẹ̀ Ìgbàlá Odò tó fi dọ́gọ̀ tún àwọn Ìkẹrẹ́ wà ń bí Ìṣẹ́ wà ń bí Ọ̀rún wà ń bí Èmùrè wà ń bí Ègbòrò wà ń bí gbogbo wọn ló wà ń bí àwọn èèyàn wa ní Ìdó Òsì Ìdó Ìfàkì Odò Ọ̀rà Òkè Ọ̀rà Òsì gbogbo wọn ló wà ń bí Ìlógbò gbogbo wọn ló wà ń bí àwọn èèyàn wa ní Òmù Òmù Òkè Pátá Ìsínbọ̀dé gbogbo wọn ló wà ń bí àwọn èèyàn wa ní Ìkọ̀lé Ayédáadé gbogbo wọn wà ń bí Ìkọ̀lé Odò Ọ̀rọ̀ tó fi lọ sí Tápájì tó fi lọ sí Ìrèlé Òkè Àpò Ìpáọ̀ Ìjẹ̀ṣà-Aṣú gbogbo wọn ló wà ń bí Ìṣeré o èèyàn wa ní Yemẹ̀rọ̀ gbogbo wọn wà ń bí àwọn èèyàn wa lọ́yẹ́ Ọ̀yẹ́ Ìmọ̀jò Ìláfọ̀n Ìṣọ̀ Ìlẹ́mọ̀ṣọ́ gbogbo wọn ló wà ń bí àwọn èèyàn wa ní Mọ̀bà Ọ̀tún Òsì àwọn èèyàn wa ní Mọ̀bà Ọ̀tún Ọ̀sàn Ẹ̀pẹ̀ kékeré ọ̀nà ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ṣe wo.
Make him not talk you. Only no lost step shout again. Inquiry come close you. Nothing.
Big boy is for Amotekun.
Elections to ring-call. Papa said the plan very well. Elections to ring-call. Papa said the plan very well. If they call politicians, we rule Nigeria before. The symbol politicians, we spoil Nigeria before. Papa said the carry on.